Tired of the 9-to-5 hamster wheel? Dreaming of a YouTube channel that practically runs itself, pumping out profits while you focus on what truly matters? Then you're in the right place. Because in 2025, YouTube automation isn't just a buzzword, it's a legitimate pathway to passive income. But here's the cold, hard truth. Your success hinges on one critical decision: your niche. Get it wrong, and you're building a sandcastle against the tide. Get it right, and you're setting the stage for a revenue-generating machine. Today, we're not just talking about picking a topic. We're dissecting the art and science of choosing a powerhouse niche for YouTube automation in 2025. Buckle up, because this is the information that separates the thriving channels from the forgotten ones. Let's dive in. This isn't about following your whims. This is about identifying market inefficiencies and capitalizing on enduring audience needs. Here's how seasoned automation professionals approach niche selection. We're not chasing daily news cycles. We're identifying fundamental human interests and evolving societal shifts that maintain consistent, long-term demand. Think. The ongoing pursuit of personal development, the relentless advancements in technology, the fundamental need for practical skills and knowledge, the enduring fascination with history and human stories. Your genuine interest provides the fuel for initial research and content oversight. But it must be validated by tangible market demand and monetization avenues. I've seen countless passion projects die on the vine due to a lack of audience. Treat your interests as a starting point for market exploration, not the sole deciding factor. Identifying nascent trends with staying power requires a nuanced understanding of market dynamics. Look beyond the immediate hype. The most resilient automated channels solve genuine problems or provide significant value to their audience. This fosters loyalty and organic growth. This isn't just about seeing who else is there. It's about understanding their strengths, weaknesses, content gaps, audience engagement, and monetization strategies. Before you create a single video, map out your potential revenue streams within the niche. Consider CPM rates, affiliate opportunities, digital product potential, and even future service offerings. Beyond the basics, explore tools that offer competitive intelligence, trend forecasting, and granular audience insights. Focus on identifying keywords with a strong balance of search volume, commercial intent if applicable for monetization, and manageable competition. Having seen countless automation attempts stumble and fail, these are the critical errors I see repeated time and time again. Entering a saturated niche without a laser-focused sub-niche and a compelling unique selling proposition is a guaranteed way to get lost in the noise. Launching a generic tech review channel when the landscape is dominated by established players with massive resources is a rookie mistake. Basing your entire channel on fleeting viral sensations leaves you vulnerable to rapid audience decline and irrelevance. Building a channel solely around the latest social media challenges is an amateur trap. While niching down is crucial, going to granular can result in an addressable market that's simply too small to sustain growth and monetization. A channel dedicated to collecting stamps from a single, obscure historical period in one specific country is something to avoid. Failing to consider how you'll actually generate revenue within a niche is a fundamental flaw in your automation strategy. Focusing on a niche with an audience that has no purchasing power or where relevant affiliate products are non-existent is a beginner oversight. Even with automation, your initial research, strategy development, and ongoing oversight require a degree of engagement. Choosing a niche you find utterly soul-crushing is unsustainable. A lack of genuine interest often translates to lower quality content and a higher likelihood of abandoning the project. A cursory glance at competitors isn't enough. You need a deep understanding of their content strategy, audience engagement tactics, and areas of vulnerability. Simply assuming you can do what others are doing, but better without a clear differentiator is a naive approach. While automation reduces the ongoing workload, it demands meticulous upfront planning, system implementation, and periodic optimization. Choosing a niche you're not prepared to strategically manage, even with automation tools, is a critical error. Automation amplifies efficiency, but it doesn't replace strategic thinking and ongoing oversight. The truth about YouTube automation in 2025 is this: your niche is your bedrock. Choose wisely based on data, strategic foresight, and a clear understanding of both market opportunities and potential pitfalls. Avoid these critical mistakes, and you'll significantly increase your odds of building a truly passive and profitable income stream. What are the non-negotiables you look for when selecting a niche for automation? Share your insights in the comments below. Let's build a community of informed automation entrepreneurs. And for more cutting-edge strategies and in-depth guides on building wealth through online ventures, make sure to subscribe to Billy Cash Daily and hit that notification bell. We're committed to providing you with the real-world tactics you need to succeed in the evolving digital landscape. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.